Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own custom packing slip within ShippingEasy. The editor is easy to use with plenty of room for customization. You can have as many templates as you want, so it's good to learn the best ways to make them look how you want. So let's get started. To start, click on Settings in the top right of the app, then select Packing Slip Templates on the left side. Select Add New on the right side, and that brings you into the editor. Give your template a name, then select a type of packing slip you want from the drop-down. It defaults to an 8.5 by 11 full sheet of paper packing slip, but if you print them on your thermal label printer, you'll want to move it to the 4 by 6 version. The combo slip is a very specific type of paper with the label in the top right corner and the rest of the page functioning as a packing slip. You'll definitely know if this is the one you should choose. If you don't want to start from scratch, you can click the Load Default button on the right, and it will give you a starting point. If you want to start from scratch, just jump right into the editor. The toolbar at the top has everything you need to make your packing slip look amazing. Text controls are on the left with color and alignment options. In the center you have tables which are useful for segmenting the packing slip, then options to create lists, create links, and add images. Images can be uploaded directly into the template by dragging them here, or you can browse your image gallery if you have added commonly used images. You can find your image library in the General Settings page. The next three icons on the toolbar are the most important part when creating customized content quickly and easily. This is where you access the variables. Everything in the template between the double braces is a variable that's pulled from elsewhere in the application. If the variable starts with store, it comes from the store settings for that store. See my store settings video for information on customizing what information appears for those variables. The shopping cart contains the store variables, the Rolodex card is recipient info, and the gift box is the shipment variables. If it starts with shipment or customer, that information is pulled directly from the order. To add a variable to your packing slip, just put your mouse cursor where you want it to be, select the variable you want to add, and it gets added to your template. For example, if I wanted my customer to see my phone number along with my store website, I would make room for it by putting my mouse cursor here, then clicking the store phone variable, and poof, phone number added. Since it's a variable, I can have a different phone number for each of my connected stores and use the same template for all of them. This saves a tremendous amount of time and effort since you don't need a bunch of templates. Then, it just becomes a matter of putting the information you want your customer to see where you want it to be. Now, there is one variable that works differently from the ones I've already shown you, and that's this big one in the middle, the line item variable. This must be included for line items to appear in the packing slip in your customer to see what they ordered. This variable includes all possible order information you may find important. If you want to customize this variable to show more or less information, it must be done manually. There's a link in the description of this video that shows you all the different ways this variable can be customized, and here's a quick glance of that page. I recommend having this page open for copy-paste purposes when editing this variable, but I'll show you a quick example. Let's take a closer look at this variable. We have the list of line items in the shipment sorted by name, and we have the columns of information for SKU, quantity, item name, price, and total. So that would look like this in a packing slip. Now let's say I have really weird SKUs and don't want my customer to see them. I'll remove them from the packing slip, because really they're already on my pick list and I don't really need them here for my purposes also. So we just delete SKU from this and the pipe symbol next to it. That would then make my new packing slip look like this. The Preview PDF button at the bottom of the editor will show you an example packing slip, but the best way to see how it looks with your logo and product is to go make a packing slip from one of your existing orders. Before you do that, however, you'll need to set that packing slip as active by first hitting Create Template, then going to Settings in the top right, then Packing Slips on the right side. This is the page where you choose what size packing slip you're going to use, as well as which template for international and domestic orders. Scroll to the bottom and select your new template from the drop-down menu at the bottom. This now activates the template, so this will print instead of the default. Then go to your orders page and select an order. Open the Pick and Pack button and click Print Packing Slip. Keep in mind this will not create or process a label, but this will put a packing slip on the Ready to Print page, as well as take you to that page. Your packing slip will be on the right side. Click the green print button to open it up, and there you go. This makes it easy to see the impact your changes had on your packing slips and determine what parts need to be tweaked a little. You can find detailed information on editing packing slips in the basic shipping setup of our Getting Started guide at shippingeasy.com/guide on the left side under Basic Shipping Setup. Thanks for watching, everyone.